If you don't know the sound, like, why? Why? Yeah, like, you missed the real Roblox. It was really good. Oh yeah, I played uh, like at like 2021, and then but it I played old games. I don't understand other games and stuff like that. So that's why. But I played a lot of, and I know like the McDonald game. Yeah, I played that. Oh yeah, I can make like if you don't know the sound, please play one up. This sound is for like when you're like uh telling like a person something or they're telling you something. It's like in a lot of Roblox. Yeah, it's really famous. NOG, please. Like if you don't know this voice, that's just sad, man. Oh yeah, peace. Oh yeah, please call me.